guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon B. Ford. I'm here today giving you an easy, simple makeup routine. I'm gonna tell you what products I'm putting on my face, and some's gonna be high-end, some's gonna be drugstore makeup. I do a mixture of both. Some products I'm using here for the first time, but let's see how it works. I'm here today with a simple, easy makeup for beginners. For more videos like this, subscribe down low, hit the red button, and don't forget to also go on top and hit the red bell so you know anytime that I upload more content for you guys. All right. I just washed my face. It's dry. And I'm gonna use my moisturizer to put it on, to not put it on, but moisturize my skin. So I'm gonna moisturize my skin. Now don't forget my eyebrow video. I'm gonna put a link on top so you can go back and see my eyebrow tutorial, because remember, I do not touch these brows with my moisturizer. So right now I'm prepping and priming. I just prepped it, it's ready. Okay, so today I'm gonna be using e.l.f. as my face primer. Now, I normally use Fenty, but I ran out. So this is my second time using this, and I actually like it. It went on really smoothly. I didn't need a lot, but I still put on a lot because I was a little nervous because I never used it before. But it really hydrated my skin. This is the hydrating face primer. That's why it hydrated my skin. So this really worked. I loved it. I used it Friday, and I really loved how that went. And that's basically what they mean to prep and prime your face. Get your face ready for the makeup you're about to apply. Okay, so my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with another thing that I used Friday for the first time that I actually loved. It was so weird. So this is a regular drugstore makeup pencil. It's like NK something. I normally use NYX, NYX, however you pronounce it, but it's actually a lip pencil. Is this the one I used? Yes, it was really good. It like held my eyebrows together. A lot of people that I watch on YouTube, they pretty much still use regular pencils as well. And I'm here for it. So I'm gonna apply my Now, if you don't want to apply a whole full face of makeup, you can just, you know, not even fill in your brows, especially if you have thick brows. I don't personally, so, you know, I do that. And don't forget, for more information on my brows, just click up and you'll see my video I did for my eyebrow tutorial. You'll learn everything about brows. So, after that, I'm gonna take a regular angle brush, a small one, and I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro concealer to highlight under my brows. Now, this isn't a new product for me. This is the one I've been using for forever. So I pretty much know how this is gonna react. So I'm gonna hurry up and do these brows. I think next I'm gonna do a no makeup look because I tend to do that a lot because I have a 4-year-old, and when it's time to go, it's time to go. I don't have time to do, you know, so much of a detailed look. So next, I am going to start my foundation. Now, I'm using Fenty right now. I heard about this other foundation. I can't even remember the name of it. A girl that I love on YouTube. Shout out to Nateri B. I'm obsessed with this girl. I kind of started my channel surrounding her because she does everything that I love. But she uses this foundation that it doesn't matter what, it never fails her. I'm gonna go back and find what it is that she uses. So for let me see. Yes. So for my foundation, I'm using Fenty, like I said, and I'm just gonna go and blend that in my face. Push that back. And this brush is my Morphe. I think it's a 4, 5, 6 brush. I'm gonna leave the description below. This brush has really, what I mean, leveled up my makeup. When I mean this brush is like the truth. I heard so much about it, and I'm like, you know what? Let's try her out. Let's see what daughter got. Let's see what she giving. You know, you gotta drag that down. Now, when you're applying makeup, your tools are actually way more important than the makeup that you're using. The tools can blend you out, it can dry you out. So you can see the difference. Boom, boom, pat, pat, boom. Dab more up here. And this makeup right here, I do love Fenty, but I didn't know this brand that I have. I don't know if she has more, but this is more of a matte wear, soft matte long wear foundation. I'm more of a glowy girl. Now matte is basically gonna keep it on, and you know it's gonna stay matted. I'm more of a dewy, like I like to look sun-kissed, or like I have a light bead of sweat, but I'm not sweating, like that glow. That's my ideal look for my makeup look. So that's me. You gotta do you, like I always say. So this is let's see the difference, right? Now I want to go in with the same. I probably should have did this before I did this, but I was ready to get her beat for you. You're supposed to go in actually first and get that brown. Now what I do is I put, when I'm doing like a beginner's makeup, that's something light, I use my actual color that I blended on my face for the top of my brows. It's less blending, less work, and it just fits so much better. Like, look at that. This straight butter, baby. And then you can blend it back out. When you're doing a beginner's makeup look, if you want to spend a little bit more, I suggest you spend a little bit more for a higher end brand like Fenty. Oh, this bottle looks crazy. I would say like something a little, not drugstore, because you don't want to look drugstore-ish if you don't know how to do makeup. It's best to get the best type of makeup you can afford at that time, so you can give it a look like effortless. Like, this is effortless. All I did was just put on my foundation. I'm gonna go in a little bit mascara to finish up this look. And this actually is a drugstore mascara as well. This is Katy Perry's CoverGirl. CoverGirl. This right here, it works so good I probably wouldn't buy it anymore. Because it's so hard to clean my face after I finish with this. Like, taking this mascara off is like hard, just because it's that potent, that thick, lasts that long. Look at that. And this is all beginner's makeup. I only did 4 steps: moisturizer, prime, foundation, and gonna go with a little eyeliner. Here we go. Look at that. All I needed some lip gloss. Also drugstore. It's so drugstore. I don't even know the name of this thing. Kiss, New York. Yes, so you only need 4 things. You just need your moisturizer, your primer, foundation, and don't forget to set. Ooh, I opened up my eye too fast. Ah, caught me. Ah, that bird. Ooh, jeez. And look at that. Look at that. See, no makeup. No makeup look. It looks like I'm not even wearing makeup. It just looks like I have flawless skin. I didn't contour, I didn't highlight. All I did was just put on simple makeup. These are simple steps for every beginner to just do. Just put on your makeup, do your brows. If you want to, you don't always need to do your brows. I don't have much, so I do mine. So let me know what you think. If you want to see my brow video, just stay tuned to the next video. If you want to see more makeup looks like this, contact me, hit me up, let me know what you want, and just I hope you love it. This is simple. You know what? I'm gonna extend the video. I'm gonna do the next level for this look. I'm gonna give you some eyeshadow. I'm gonna give you some contouring. I'm gonna give a little lip. Stay tuned. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you love it. You know, I had to do it through. Make sure. I also did this unit. I do hair as well. So, you know, we're gonna get to that soon. But I did this unit. I curled it up for today. Yeah. So if you like what you see, subscribe. If you want more videos on quick, simple routines, makeup for beginners, just getting ready with me,